Hi, this is the Huawei Nova 11 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way you could add applications to your folder. Also you could add a couple of apps in one click. Just open the folder, tap to this plus icon and select all of the all of the applications which you want to add to your folder. Then just tap to OK and that's it. If you want to rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, the apps for example. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. If you want to resize it, you should hold it for a while, tap to enlarge to make it bigger, tap to shrink to make it smaller. And also we could also rename it just by hold it for a while from here, tap to rename and enter the new name. Also if you want to remove some of the apps from here to the home screen, you should just hold the app and drag it to the home screen by this way. But also you could remove a couple of apps in one click. Just tap to this plus icon and unselect a couple of apps or all of them if you want. Tap to OK and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.